What is going on, everybody? My name is Christian Robert, and on this channel we talk stocks, personal finance, wealth building, real estate, you name it, we'll talk it. First off, thank you to everyone who's been subscribing to the channel. We have 83 subscribers. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. But this video was not expected at all. I was actually in the middle of recording a totally separate video, and a good friend of mine texted me and said that Kraft Heinz was down 20% after hours. So I had to stop the video I was doing and do this one instead. But he was not lying. After hours, Kraft is down 19.99%. Now I just got the information together. I haven't even really read it over, so we're looking at this for the first time together, basically. But Kraft Heinz, they obviously just reported. You can see on the side. Well, let's just get into. I got two tabs pulled up. So, Kraft Heinz minus 16% amid SEC probe, 15.4 billion in Q4 write-downs. Kraft Heinz is down 16.3% after hours as the company wrote off 15.4 billion related to previous acquisitions and said it received an SEC subpoena as part of an investigation in the company's accounting policies. Kraft Heinz says it recorded a 25 million increase to costs of products sold as a result on an internal investigation with the help of an outside lawyer. Much of Kraft Heinz' unadjusted Q4 loss was due to the impairment charges to lower the carrying amount of goodwill in certain reporting units, primarily U.S. refrigerated and Canada retail, and certain intangible assets, primarily the Kraft and Oscar Mayer trademarks. The write-down of a big-name brand, a striking acknowledgement that changes consumer tastes have destroyed the value of some of the company's key assets. Update. What's this? Kraft Heinz says it in its earnings conference, cutting its quarterly dividend by 36%. Wow. Obviously, I own this stock. Luckily, my friend does not. But 36% cut in dividend is huge. I also got, Kraft Heinz misses by 10 cents, misses on revenue. Kraft Heinz fourth quarter non-GAAP EPS of 84 cents, misses by 10 cents. GAAP EPS of minus $10.34. Revenue of $6.89 billion, misses by $50 million. Yeah, that's bad. Shares, well, this was, okay, so this was like right after, and then the SEC thing came out. This is bad news. I don't think I've ever dealt with one of my stocks in this position. Luckily, it's a very tiny holding, but it's very ironic that this happened because literally 1 or 2 days ago, I was looking at my main portfolio, which is my dividend portfolio with TD Ameritrade, and I was looking at, like once a month or so, I try to go over my portfolio and see what stocks I should really focus on and what stocks I should bring up to size. And Kraft Heinz was literally one I was talking to myself about, saying that I should really be buying this because even 5 days. Yeah, a couple days ago it was like $47, and I was like, this seems like it's a good price. I was buying this thing at $60 a share. Yeah, when I bought it, it was like $60, I believe, maybe like $55. But yeah, I mean, it was already down like 10-15% since I bought it, and now this, this could be a really good buying opportunity. Not tomorrow, but this could be a good opportunity in the works. Obviously, if you're looking at this stock or it's on your watch list, don't just jump blindly into it. I'm recording this Thursday night, so you're going to be seeing this Friday early afternoon. So I'm probably not going to buy it tomorrow for sure, but this has a lot of potential. Obviously, Kraft Heinz isn't going anywhere in my opinion. It's a very strong company. Obviously, it's had a lot of turmoil. If you look at a max chart, in 2015 was when Kraft and Heinz merged together. And looking at the chart, obviously, it has not been a very successful merger. I know when I was getting into this stock and doing my research, a lot of people, or a lot of things I was seeing about the stock, a lot of people weren't very happy with that previous merger. I was reading just now that it's going to put a ton of pressure on the company to have more acquisitions, but I mean, with the amount of love my fiance has for ketchup, this company isn't going anywhere. This will be really interesting to follow, though, because I think I will be buying this one in the near term. Let the dust settle. Let's see where the subpoena goes. And this could be a good buying opportunity for long-term investors. I'm not going out here and trying to encourage anybody to try to swing trade or do any things that are risky. So that's just my personal opinion. I am not a financial advisor. Do not take my, do not invest in this just because I'm talking about it. Do your own research. With investing in stocks, there's always risks with that. But that's all I have for you. We're going to follow this and see where this one goes. But if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.